Hey guys, AJ here. Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to install WordPress locally on your computer. Sweet. So the first thing we should do is search up Bitnami WordPress in Google and click on the first link that you will see. After doing so, we will click on this button that says Windows, Mac and Linux. After clicking on the button, we scroll down and find the download button for your particular operating system. Once that is downloaded, click on the file and you will see this window. It will ask you to choose the language that you desire. So for this instance, we'll be just using English. Now you click on next. Make sure these two boxes here are ticked, and then click on next. You can choose the desired folder structure, but for this instance we'll just using this one that it's already been suggested. So yep, click on next after that. Now we put our name, so Vanillas, then email address, make sure you remember your login details, because we will be using this to access the backend of our WordPress site. Then click on next. Now choose a name for your blog. Vanillas blog. Just click on next after that. You can opt out to this, which I will do. And now it says that it's ready. Now it's going to install. When this window comes up during the installation, just click on allow access. Do the same thing for this window and click on allow access. Once you click finish on the window, you will be sent to this page that says that WordPress is now installed. To access our WordPress page, just click on access WordPress. There you go. Now we have our site live locally on our computer. To access the backend of our WordPress site, just go here to your URL and add admin on the very end. After doing so, I told you to remember your username and password for this. So now we enter that to access our backend, and there you go. Here's the backend of your WordPress site. Now you can do whatever you want, customize your site, upload images, add new pages, change the appearance, install a theme. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial, and thank you for watching and hope you like it. Please like and subscribe to see more of these videos.